teachers here at 9.09er IELTS Review and Tutorial Center. I teach and prepare candidates for the IELTS and the PTE, but before my stint here at 9.09er, I was also a student of the center. I've taken both the IELTS and the PTE and I've scored perfect marks for both exams. And that's all because of the help of 9.09er IELTS Review and Tutorial Center. I believe that test preparation is essential in getting satisfactory scores in these high-stakes English exams. And no other test preparation center prepares candidates as effectively as 9.09er.
To help them act it out. They take advantage of the same fact.
Hi, this is examinee Temporal, President and CEO of 9.09er Review Center. We established 9.09er in April of 2007, and in just 3 months of operation, we became the number 5 in the entire Philippines. 3 months after, that's October of 2007, we became the number 1 in the entire archipelago. It's 2020 now. We are still the undisputed number 1 review center for IELTS, UKVI, OET, PTE, and UKC. This is 9.09 Review Center. Welcome to your dream.